Question number 8. When solving the equation 3x squared plus 18x plus 27 equals 0 by factoring, which could be a correct factor in the process? Well, let's just then factor this trinomial and figure it out that way. What is our first step in this case? Well, there's a common factor of 3 for all these numbers, so I can factor out a 3. 3x squared divided by 3 is just x squared. 18x divided by 3 is 6x. And 27 divided by 3 is 9. Excellent. Now what do we need to do? We need to factor this trinomial. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 9 and add up to 6. So what numbers multiply to 9? Well, 1 and 9. I should say actually probably what, two numbers multiply to 9. So 1 and 9, 3 and 3. Hey, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 3 and 3 are the chosen numbers. So the 3 just comes down, by the way, this 3 right in front. This 3 has nothing to do with those 3's, by the way. And we have x squared, so I'll put an x here, another x over there. And I can add a 3. And I can add another 3. And we're done factoring. So, which could be a correct factor? The answer is B, x plus 3. That's it. But I'm going to go a bit further and actually solve for this. Why not? Let's solve for x. Okay, so what values of x would make this equation true? Well, we would need this to be equal to 0. And what values of x would make that equal to 0? Well, if we want x plus 3 to be 0, I can subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. And x would be equal to 0 minus 3, negative 3. And what about for this? Well, it's the same, right? So x would also be equal to negative 3 in this case. So that is our solution. X is negative 3. And we're done.